We just left Target and got some little bit of groceries back there. And now we're getting lunch at Taqueria. What do you think about this? I'm unbagging my groceries. This Greek yogurt is really, really good. It doesn't have any sweeteners or any flavor in it, so I just added myself. That way I can control it. This was the best yogurt that I found. If you have a Greek yogurt that's better, or just a yogurt in general that's better for you, comment it down below. Then we got the berries. I got some blackberries, some blueberries, and some strawberries. I got cilantro, an iceberg, and romaine lettuce. I got limes, and I got 2 packs of these mini cucumbers. Olive oil, some tomatoes, red onion, mayonnaise. We tried the mayonnaise that's made out of the avocado oil. Didn't like it. If you have a different mayonnaise that you recommend, leave it below. That one was a little weird. It said in the ingredients that it had like rosemary or something. Some breadcrumbs, oil, some organic pancake mix. Excited to try that. I got 3 cans of this coconut milk. And I got ketchup. I have to make my own sourdough, but I got some sourdough bread, these brioche burger buns, potatoes, and then I have some meat. So I got a pack of ground beef. I got 2 nice steaks and a pack of chicken breast. I want to get fish, but I didn't want to order it. I just prefer to pick the fish myself. I look a mess, excuse me. But I also wanted to show all the stuff that we got the baby. There's this cute, like, puffer coat. The hood is really thick and warm and has pockets. A puffer vest. He had one last year and it was like this really pretty light blue. Super, super cute. It was like this kind of color, like bright light blue. And he has this other like bomber style jacket with a hood. That's cute. And then he has a couple pajama sets. So here's one. It's a fire truck and a little dog. You see it right there. And then like they have the Valentine's Day sets out. So this is really cute. Dinosaur with hearts. This is like a gingham checkered print set with hearts. And last but not least, This is like a winter Christmas Star Wars pajama set. And I saw someone talking about the Squishmallow perfume on TikTok, and I really wanted it. So I added it to my Christmas wish list, and I got it. So this is the vanilla scent, and the notes are cinnamon, foamy milk, and caramel drizzle. I thought this was vanilla, but it does have vanilla in it. Either way, it smells so good, and I was obsessed that it came with this. So it comes with just like a little screw on. It doesn't come like this. It comes with this, and then you have to screw it on yourself. But when I seen them show that it came with this, like, I don't even know what this is called, but the like little sprayer, this smells so delicious. I love that, and the bottle's so cute. I'm thinking that I want the other Squishmallow perfume. It's the pink scent. I don't know what the notes are, like what it's gonna smell like, but I feel like the bottle's pink. It has to smell like sweet and like candy, and I love that scent also. So I also added the Morphe cheek little palettes to my Christmas wish list. So I just pulled it out this box because I already had it out. So this is what it looks like, and I can't wait to try it. I want to go back and I want to get the red. I don't know if this is the darkest pink, but I'm excited to try them anyway. So I want to go back and get the red one because that's supposed to like be like the most natural looking blush you can put on your face. So the next thing I got was this set from Target, and I'll put it on the screen, but this is what it looks like. I've been wanting to do like more color. Like I've been starting to exercise again. I'm trying to get myself into shape. So I want to wear more color. And then here's this like mock neck sweatshirt that I got also. They got a bunch of different sets like this. So cute. I'm taking my bedding off. So I just took off all my Christmas bedding, my sheets, and my blanket. So I never got to show it, but this is what my bed was looking like. Super cute. And now I'm gonna just put my floral sheets back on the bed. So now I'm getting my pillowcases have to get washed, and Life with a toddler, he's putting everything I took off back onto the bed. So I have to wash my blankets so we can have a clean blanket for tonight, and I think that's gonna be it. And then I have to put pillowcases on this because it doesn't look great. So I just got an order in from Walmart, and I'm gonna unbox it really quick. So I got him this bingo truck that sings. I don't know.
Oh, this is a nice one. Hi, Ben.
We got him the Bluey house for his birthday, and when you put them on different tracks, it makes them do different sounds. But if you press bingo, she makes sounds anyway. This cute quarter zip from Walmart. This really cute Bluey sweatshirt. And then Bluey's on the arm. Model had it on with these pants.
Oh, this is a nice cute.
And then this was on sale, so I got it for Christmas this year. So cute. And I got it in a 4T. So that way it'll fit him like, it'll fit him pretty good at that time. This is the Easter outfit gift. It's so cute. It's a pajama and it's 100% cotton. It's gonna look so cute on him for Easter. So we want to do like a little Bridgerton watch party for ourselves, and I've been seeing a lot of inspo online. So I remembered that my aunt gave us this plate set, and it's really pretty. So this is what the cup looks like. Oh, wrong side. This is what the cup looks like. It has this like gray flower and this silver rim. Really, really pretty. So it goes like that. Oh, it goes like that. Like it has flowers on it, and the flowers are in color. So here's like a serving bowl. Another plate. The 11 of these like hors d'oeuvre or like salad plates, and I'm gonna put it in our china cabinet behind me. We have the 10 of these like dinner plates, and they're the same. It has the silver edge and the pretty flower down the middle. And we have 10 of the cups. And inside the china cabinet, it came with the hooks to hang. So I'm gonna hang the cups from there. It looks so incomplete. Huh? It looks incomplete.
It looks incomplete. Grab one from the back and put it in the front.
So then we have these, what is this, like a saucer for the cup?
Yeah.
And we have 10 of these. It's 10? Or
I
11?
think it is 10 cups.
Yeah, it's 10. Oh, there was 2 missing on this side. Okay. I have to make it even. All right, there we go. We have these like little bowls. There's only 4 of them. Then we have this bowl. It's a serving dish, and then like a serving platter. Does that look good?
Yeah.
It's not even done. And then there's this sugar. So sugar and creamer.
Oh, you're all there?
Wow.
Outside.
So here is what the china cabinet looks like. So this isn't the set, but it looks super cute. And we have other stuff, so I'm just gonna like show it really quick. Up here we have this cabbage bowl that we thrifted. We were super excited about that find. So in here in our other china cabinet, it's a little bit of a mess in here, but we have these what do you call these? We have these other teacups, and there's other designs in here too. So we did these other teacups. We have these other teacups. They're super, super cute. And I think that's the only designs that we kept. And I think they have matching saucers. And that's why we kept them. If I'm right. Oh, there's other ones down here. Okay, so I'm wrong. They don't have matching saucers. So here's another one. This is another one. I think this matches. Mom, you see this one? I think this matches the tea pot that I told you.
Is that only one of those two?
Yeah. It's only one of those and one of these.
See, it's like the inspiration.
Yeah. Oh, and then that one has the plate. And then there's some, I think, is this Lennox? This is a Lennox. Oh, man.
Is that little cream set? It's like its own little bowl, one little plate?
Yeah.